Talking about this car adapter for charging your phones. Now this is by Joy Room, and they did send me this product for review, but they want me to show you what it is and how it works. So let's take a closer look. Okay, this adapter is a 69 watt adapter. What that means is there's actually 4 different plugs here. So you have a USB-C, USB-A, then you have the USB or the USB-C on this one, which is a 30 watt quick charger, and then you have the lightning cable for the Apple one here, which is they have it at the amp, a 2.4 amp, but the whole thing combined is 69 watt. Pretty nice. So now you can actually charge up 4 devices at once if you'd like, as long as you have an Apple and or any of these other plugs. You do need your own cables for those, and then these cables are all built in, obviously. Pretty cool. And now the part that plugs into the adapter, it actually swivels, so you can put it in here and move this in all different directions so it's out of the way. I have a power adapter right here to give you an idea, show you. It's better to show you here in the studio than in the car with the lighting and everything. So I'm going to put that in there, and we can even show you up here. Now it's got a little light. You probably can't tell, but it's got a little blue LED there. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this one out, and I'm going to just plug it right into the bottom of my phone like that. And it comes on right away, and it says super fast charging. I'm at 78%. It says like 27 minutes to go. So it registers and reads automatically this charging is a super fast charge, which is really, really cool. So as you can see, this can come in really handy when you need to charge a lot of devices at once. If you are looking for a nice little car charger, this